Hello students, today we are going to see the third video in the chapter Lines and Angles. In the previous two videos, we saw about pairs of angles, that is complementary angle, supplementary angle, adjacent angles, linear pair of angles and vertically opposite angles, and we also solved around 20 problems based on these concepts. Today we are going to solve our NCERT reader exercise problem, that is exercise 6.1, which is found in page number 96 and 97. So shall we start solving those problems, children? Students, shall we start doing the exercise problems? Exercise 6.1, it is found in our NCERT reader in page number 96. The first question is found in page number 96. So the question goes like this. In figure, line AB and CD intersect at O if angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree and angle BOD is 40 degree. Find angle BOE and reflex of angle COE. So first let's read the question and then refer the figure. Yes, so again we'll come back to the question. Line AB and CD intersect at O. So here we could see the line AB and here we could see the line CD. They intersect at O. And there is one more ray OE which is in between the angle COB. So now what's given? Let's see. If angle AOC, where is AOC? AOC is here. And where is BOE? BOE, it's here. So this angle plus this angle is 70 degree. So what can we say about these two angles? They are not adjacent angles. Together they don't make a straight line because this is one acute angle, this is another acute angle. Together they add up to form 70 degree. So some clue is given. So with this we know that there is one clue given to find our missing angle. And angle BOD. Where is angle BOD? BOD. Okay, this angle is equal to 40 degree. So now I know the measure of this angle BOD is equal to 40 degree. So this figure is already given in the question. From the statement, we can label the given measurements like this. Find BOE. So it is a problem. It is not a rider. So we can directly start solution. So first let's write angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree. It is just given to us. It's given in our question. This is a given clue for us. Now from this, what am I going to find? Find angle BOE. BOE. So they're asking us to first find this angle. So how am I going to find this angle when I have just this clue? So I have to find this BOE, I am going to find. But I don't know what is AOC. Do I have any other clue? Yes, from the figure clearly I could see angle AOC is vertically opposite to angle BOD. Therefore, I can directly write here. Or if you want, make it as one step like this. Angle AOC is equal to 40 degree because it is vertically opposite angle. Now substituting this here, so this step comes like this. 40 degree plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree. Therefore, BOE, angle BOE is equal to 70 degree minus 40 degree. So, angle BOE is equal to 30 degree. So, one missing angle we have found. So, this angle we have found. What is the second one? And we should also find reflex of angle COE. So, what is COE? Where is angle COE? This is angle COE. Do we know the measurement of this angle? No, I don't know the measurement of this angle. Now, here I can label what is angle BOE. Just now we have found this is 30 degree. What is angle AOC? Already we knew it is vertically opposite angle, this. But COE is missing now. But they have not asked us to find angle COE. They are asking us to find reflex. So what are they asking us to find? Reflex of angle COE. So to find reflex angle, always the condition is 360 degree minus the given angle. This is COE. But do we know COE? No, we don't know COE. So what we can do is, so to find COE, what is the only way to find COE? Now we have three angles which makes a straight line. Like the previous video, we've done so many problems like this. Angle 40, that is 40 degree plus angle COE plus 30 degree. It is equal to 180 degree. What is the condition? Angles on a straight line. So now 40 plus 30 is 70. COE is equal to 180 degree minus 70 degree. Therefore, COE is equal to 110 degree. So this is one part. Now substituting this here, we get 360 degree minus 110 degree. 360 degree minus 110 degree. Answer, it is 250 degree. That is reflex of COE. Reflex angle COE is 250 degree. So we finished solving the first problem. So second question. In figure, lines X, Y and MN intersect at O. If angle POY is equal to 90 degree and A is to B is equal to 2:3, find C. This figure is already given together with the question. So we'll see how the figure and the questions relate. Lines XY and MN. Where are the lines XY? XY is here. MN is there. So these two are intersecting lines which meet at O. Intersect at O. If angle POY is 90 degree. Where is angle POY? They have clearly given this angle POY is 90 degree. So I know this as 90 degree. So what can I tell about the other part of the angle? If angle POY is 90 degree, so 90 degree is also means it's perpendicular. If one side is perpendicular, one angle is perpendicular, automatically the other angle which makes it 180 degree. So from this I can surely tell it is also linear pair concept. So this is angle POX is also equal to 90 degree. So from first clue, angle POY 90 degree is given. It also means angle POX is also equal to 90 degree. So this one concept is quite clear for us. Now we'll still more. There are few clues in the question. A is to B. Where is A? Yes, looking at the figure, OM is a ray which is in between the angle POX. So this ray makes an angle A and B, and there is another angle like this which is C. But something they have told about A and B. A is to B, ratio concept, it is equal to 2:3. So again ratio, whenever ratio is coming, we have to, there is a common multiple which we are going to keep it as X here. And finally they are asking us to find actually C they are asking us to find. So it is actually very simple. As I am going, you will understand clearly and how easily we are going to find this missing value. So this is what we are supposed to find. So first, as what is given is angle POY is equal to 90 degree. It implies, this is a sign which means it implies angle POX is equal to 90 degree. Because it's perpendicular concept or linear pair concept. So because of that concept, we are getting angle POX is also equal to 90 degree. But this POX has A and B. So how am I going to write this? Is let X be a common multiple. Now that we've done it again and again, I can call like this directly. I'm going to write A is equal to 2X and B is equal to 3X. So let me name this as 2X and this as 3X because A is 2 and B is 3. So A is 2X, B is 3X. But together both the angles make what? It is 90 degree. Therefore 2X plus 3X is equal to 90 degree. 5X is equal to 90 degree. X is equal to 90 degree divided by 5. 5. So, X is equal to 18 degree. 18 degree divided by 5. So, X is equal to 90 degree divided by 5. So, X is equal to 90 degree divided by 5. So, X is equal to 90 degree divided by 5. So, X is equal to 90 degree divided by 5. So, X is equal to 90 degree divided by 5. So, X is equal to 90 degree divided by 5. So, X is equal to 90 degree divided by 5. So, X is equal to 90 degree divided by 5. So, X is equal to 90 degree divided by 5. So, X is equal to 90 degree divided by 5. So, X is equal to 90 degree divided by 5. So, X is equal to 90 degree divided by 5. So, X is equal to 90 degree divided by 5. So, X is equal to 90 degree divided by 5. So, X is equal to 90 degree divided by 5. So, X is equal to 90 degree divided by So we have got x is equal to 18 degree. But you might ask me, why should we find x? Okay, if I substitute here 2x, then I am going to get the value of a. If I substitute 3x, 18, 3 into 18, I am going to get value b. But they are not at all asking a or b, but they are asking us to find c. But how to find c means c and b together make a straight line. So adjacent angles making straight line is what concept? Linear pair concept. Yes, so linear pair. So to find c, I need b. So to find b, I need the value of x. So first let me find what is the value of b. 3 into 18 degree. So 3 into 18 degree is how much? It is 54 degree. Now I've got b angle. So c plus b is equal to 180 degree. Again it is linear pair concept. C is what I have to find. Just now I got b as 54 degree, which is equal to 180. So C is equal to 180 degree minus 54 degree. So angle C is equal to 126 degree. Thus we got the required measure of angle C. Okay, now question 3. In figure, angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ. Then prove that angle PQS is equal to PRT. This is a rider. So they are not asking you to find any measure. If you are going to find some missing angle, then it comes under a numerical problem. But here they are asking you to prove something. This is a very simple rider. First rider I think you are going to start learning in 9th standard. So as already told in the previous video, there is a format to prove a theorem and a rider. So what is that format? First you have to write what is given. So before writing given, what is there to write in given, we will again understand the figure. Figure is already, along with the question, the figure comes. So here what do they say is PQR. Where is angle PQR? PQR is this angle. This and which angle? PRQ. These two angles are equal. Now whenever we are learning a rider, whenever I teach riders, I generally use colors to make children understand it. So I have got few colors with me. That is, I am going to make this angle in this color so that it will be easy for you to understand. So this angle and this angle, these two angles are equal angles which is given to us. So since it is given, these two are equal. These two have the same color. Same color means both are equal angles. So we are going to write that. That is what is given. So what is given? Given angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ. That's all. Only this is given. Then prove that angle PQS is equal to PRT. So the second thing is to prove. What are we supposed to prove? Prove is angle PQS is equal to angle PRT. So where is angle PQS? PQS. So we are supposed to prove this angle and this angle. So we still don't know these two angles whether they are equal or not, but we have to prove. So this pink and orange angles, we have to prove that they are both equal. But these two colors are already given it is equal. How am I going to prove this? So the main part, it is proof. So how am I going to start this? So again, I am going to start with the concept. Now looking at this pink angle and this blue color angle, what can I say about these two angles? Yes, both are linear pair, adjacent angles and making a straight line. So this angle and this angle are linear pair. So again, instead of using PS, PQS, PQR, instead of, you can always label. As I already told you, maths, we will make it very simple. This is called as angle 1, which is angle PQS. We will label it as angle 1. PQR as angle 2. PRQ as angle 3. PRT as angle 4. Now it will become very simple for us. So first, angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree because it is linear pair. Now what can I say about angle 3 and angle 4? They are also linear pair. 180 degree because it is linear pair. So now it almost reminds us of what? The vertically opposite angle theorem. Both right hand sides are 180 degree. So what can we say about the left hand sides? Therefore, left hand sides are equal. But what am I going to cancel here? It is 1 angle, 2 angle, 3 angle, 4. 2 equal angles are there. Yes, I could see angle 2 and angle 3 are equal. So if you want, you can directly cancel it, or you can write one more step like this. Angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to, instead of angle 3, that is, this is angle 2, this is angle 3. So instead of angle 3, I am going to replace it with angle 2. Angle 2 plus angle 4. Why? How did we do? Because it is given, because the condition is, it is given to us. Now both are equal angles on either side, which can be cancelled. Therefore, angle 1 is equal to angle 4. In fact, this is what we are supposed to prove. This is actually angle 1. This is pink color is angle 1, which is equal to angle 4. The orange is angle 4. So, thus proved. Now, question 4. In figure, if x plus y is equal to w plus z, then prove that AOB is a line. So, shall we see the diagram? What is the diagram? AOB, it is looking like a line, but just looking at the diagram, we cannot, it's not given to us it is line. In fact, we should prove that it is a line. So, we cannot use linear pair angles on a straight line for a condition for proof, because we have to prove that AOB is a line. Then what else is given? This angle, that is angle COB is x degree, COA is y, AOD is z, BOD is w, and one clear clue is given. What is that? X plus y is equal to w plus z. So, with this clue only, we have to prove this is a straight line. So, again it is a rider. So, the standard way of writing a rider is given. First, what you have to write? Given. What is there in given? Given, only what is given is x plus y is equal to w plus z. Now, to prove what we have to prove? AOB is a line. So, if you want to make it little more, what can we say that? That is, this is angle AOB. Line's angle is always equal to 180 degree. If we prove it is equal to 180 degree, then automatically AOB is a line. So, this is given, this is to prove. So, we will move to proof. Okay, now as I already told you, we have to prove AOB is a line. So, we cannot use what? Linear pair or angles. Here you can see, x and y, they are linear pair. You can, it looks like that, but I should not use that condition. Then what else condition am I going to start with? Okay, then only I have to recall. What are all the properties we have learnt? Yes, O is a point, and around the point I could see 4 angles. Sum of all the 4 angles about a point is always equal to 360 degree. Yes, that's what we are going to use. That is x plus y plus w plus z is equal to 360 degree angles around a point. Okay. Now, we are going to use what is given to us. See, x plus y. X plus y together is nothing but what? W plus z. So, instead of x plus y, w plus z. But now, again you have w plus z is equal to 360 degree. So, how many w plus z you are having? 2 w plus z is equal to 360 degree. Okay, you might ask me, yes, I have to write how I have converted this into this. It is because it is given to us. This condition is given. So, now 2w plus z is equal to 360. W plus z is equal to 360 degree divided by 2. Therefore, w plus z is equal to 180 degree. If you want, you can keep x plus y plus instead of w plus z also you can write it as x plus y. So it will come as 2 times x plus y is 360 degree. So x plus y is 180 degree. So either it is x plus y or w plus z. These two are now what? Adjacent angles. Adjacent angles. What adjacent angles? AOD plus DOB. Together these two angles make what? Angle AOB, which is equal to 180 degree, which means AOB is a line. So thus we have proved. Okay, question number 5. In figure, POQ is a line. Here they have given POQ is a line. So it's given to us. Ray OR is perpendicular to line PQ. OS is another ray lying between rays OP and OR. Prove that angle ROS is equal to half of angle QOS minus POS. Okay, this is what we are supposed to prove, but lots of things are given. Let's first, using the diagram and what is given, we will try to figure out what is given. Okay, POQ is a line. POQ is a straight line. Ray OR is perpendicular to PQ. So it is perpendicular. So I know this is the perpendicular. So if this is perpendicular, automatically this angle is also 90 degree. This is 90 degree. This is 90 degree. OS is another ray. OS is another ray lying between. Where is it lying? Between OP and OR. Yes, obviously OS is lying between OP and OR. Now, from all these things given, what are we supposed to prove? What are we supposed to prove? ROS, they have given this angle is equal to half of QOS. Where is QOS? QOS and POS. So, since there are 3 angles mentioned here, I am going to again use 3 colors. So, for ROS, so I am marking ROS as what? Where is ROS? ROS is here. So, this angle is pink color. Okay. Now, QOS. QOS is where? QOS. So, the full angle. It is what color? Turquoise blue color. And then, what is the other angle? POS. POS, I'll mark it as the orange color. Okay. So, this QOS is this blue color. Okay. Now, as usual, it's a rider. So, let's write given. Given. What is given? Given is OR. OR is perpendicular to PQ. So, because of that angle, therefore, angle, what can we say? POR and angle QOR. POR, which is equal to angle QOR. Both the angles is equal to 90 degree. And OS is a ray. It is in between these two. Okay, that is not going to help us out anywhere for the given statement. So, we need not write that. So, to prove, we can now write to prove. What should we prove? Angle ROS is equal to half of angle QOS minus POS. Now, this proof, how am I going to start this proof? Okay, first what I am going to plan is I am going to write what is this QOS. So, first let me write what is QOS. We are going to analyze what is QOS. QOS. So, this QOS is actually that blue color, turquoise blue angle, full big angle. It is an obtuse angle. This angle has actually 2 angles inside it. What are the 2 angles inside it? Yes, the pink color angle and that 90 degree angle. So, we can directly write like this. This is equal to, actually if you want, you can write it as 2 steps also. Angle QOR plus angle it's actually angle ROS. ROS, which again angle, I'll write QOS is equal to this. Actually measurement of this is what? 90 degree plus angle ROS. So entirely this QOS I have in this color. So to make it easy for you to remember, like this, I will mark it as equation 1. So this is actually the equation 1. Now what are we going to find out is angle POS. Angle POS. We are going to analyze what is angle POS. POS is this orange color angle. But this orange color angle is not made up of two angles. A part of 90 degree. Can you see a blue color angle? Part only is there. So how can I do this? This full 90 degree is this. And when I remove this pink color angle, with that full 90 degree angle, if I remove the pink color angle, I will get the orange color angle. So it is actually angle POR minus angle ROS. So angle POS is equal to 90 degree minus angle ROS. So again here POS, I have marked it as orange color. So let me, this I am calling it as the second part. So first part I did angle QOS, second part I did angle POS. Now according to the proof, it is you have to subtract the first minus the second. So 1 minus 2. Let me do it like this. 1 minus 2. So what is 1? Angle PQOS minus angle POS, which is equal to, when I am subtracting the left sides, then the right side should also be subtracted. 90 degree plus angle ROS minus, since after minus, what do I have? 90 minus ROS. Two terms are there. So when two terms are there, I have to use a bracket because there is a minus here. 90 minus ROS. Now 90 degree plus ROS minus 90 degree plus, when I am removing the bracket, this minus goes to this 90 degree, minus into minus becomes plus, plus ROS. So plus 90 and minus 90, it is equal to 2 times angle ROS, which is actually angle QOS minus angle POS. Finally, what I can do is, this ROS I will keep here itself. ROS. This half, when I am bringing it here, this into 2. Into 2, when it comes here, it becomes half. Divided by 2, which is 1 by 2. Angle QOS minus POS. Angle POS. Now, if you read it in this way, angle ROS is equal to half of angle QOS minus POS. Thus, we have proved. And this is a very important rider. Very important. Generally, it will come as a 4-mark question because you have lots to remember here. The diagram, 2 parts, and after 2 parts subtracting and then finally getting, since lots are there, it is a very standard 4-mark question. We've come to the last question of this exercise 6.1. So question number 6. It is given that angle XYZ is 64 degree and XY is produced to point P. Draw a figure from the given information. If ray YQ bisects angle ZYP, find angle XYQ and reflex of angle QYP. So it is basically a numerically based problem. It is not a rider. But in this problem, the diagram is not given. We are supposed to draw the diagram from the given information. So diagram itself will get you marks. So how am I going to do? Whenever such things, diagram is not given means always use a pencil. Use a pencil to first draw a rough diagram. Here the diagram itself is a main part. So rough diagram can be drawn in one corner right side and then you can fair it up in the center. So what I am going to do is, I have already got one small yellow sheet. So let me draw the rough diagram here. Then I will fair it up. So here we will first draw the rough diagram. What is given here is x, y, z. It is equal to 64 degree. What is the meaning of rough diagram? Rough diagram is not meant as shabby diagram. You need not use protractor to measure exactly 64 degree and draw it. Instead, so I know this is surely going to be a what angle? It is an acute angle. So I should not draw an obtuse angle just because it is a rough diagram. So you cannot just like that draw a wrong diagram here. So since it's going to be an acute angle, so I am drawing like this, and I am going to mark this x, y. Remember, always the center alphabet will come as the vertex here, and z, and this is equal to 64 degree. And xy, this xy is produced. What is the meaning of produced is, it means it is extended. The meaning of produced is extended. So you are going to extend like this to point P. So now I have got an obtuse angle. What is the angle here? EZYP is an obtuse angle. Draw the figure from the given information. There is also one more information given. If ray Y, so the ray starts from here, YQ. So the ray is YQ. And it bisects. Bisects means it divides this angle exactly into two equal halves. So that's the reason this angle and this angle are what? Equal angles. So I have put two lines like this. Find XYQ. Angle XYQ. Which is angle XYQ? This is actually Q. YQ. So XYQ. You have to find this angle XYQ. 64 plus this angle. This is unknown angle. So if I am going to call this as X, what should I call this angle as? Yes, that angle is also X because both are equal angles. Now, so if I get this value of X, automatically when I am adding this X and 64, I will get the required, this I will get. And what is reflex of QYP? Already in the first sum we did reflex angle. So to find reflex angle, first you need to know this angle QYP. What is QYP? QYP. Already we would have found X. 360 minus X will give you this answer. So it is almost, this is the required figure. Since I have drawn it in a rough figure, we will make it fair it up. So you can actually draw it. So I have just already drawn and I have kept it here. So this is 64 degree. And I am going to mark this one as X and this one also X. Since it's a numerically based problem, I will start it as solution, and automatically three angles on a straight line. You already know how to do it. X plus 64 degree is equal to 180 degree. The concept here is angles on a straight line. So now it is 2x plus 64 degree is equal to 180 degree. 2x is equal to 180 minus 64. 2x is equal to 116 degree. So x is equal to 116 degree divided by 2. I've got my x. X is equal to 58 degree. So once x is got, almost are, so this is equal to 58 degree. This is also equal to 58 degree. Now what are they asking us to find? Find angle XYQ. XYQ is in fact 64 degree plus 58 degree. 64 degree plus 58 degree is equal to 122 degree. And they are asking you to find reflex. Reflex of angle QYP, which is 360 degree minus QYP, which is QYP. QYP is also 58 degree. So my answer is 302 degree. So thus I have got both the required measures of the angle.